Hi guys, look who is going back to school. Say hi mama.
Hi.
Say, how are you?
How are you?
Welcome. Are you ready to go back to school?
No, I don't want to go back to school. It's so late. I want to go back to house, okay?
No, you have to go back to school mama.
No, we have to go back to house.
She doesn't want to go to school guys. She's not ready. You're not ready for school?
No, I'm not ready for school.
School are opening.
No, I want to go back to house.
And then do what in the house? What do you want to do in the house?
I want to give you bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay, she has a cold, which is actually, I don't know why it came back, but she's doing well actually. So today being on a Sunday, I want to wash her hair and then I want to make some lines because she has only today Sunday and tomorrow they're opening on Tuesday. So we need to prepare and fix her hair because it's so bad. Your hair is so
But
yes, we need to fix your
yeah.
yes. So yeah guys, so I will show you what I will make. I don't know the style which I'll make, but they are just plain lines, but I need to put a style. So yeah. You're scared?
No, I'm not scared. I'm laughing.
That's laughing. I know you don't want I will show here, but we need to make your hair. We need to make your hair.
Smart.
Yes, like
Talita.
like Taraji and Talitha.
Yes.
Talitha guys is her neighbor friend, best friend. Yeah. So yeah guys, so let's do this. And guys, we are done. So I just cleaned her hair and then we are going to apply black castor oil on your hair. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready for school?
Ah.
Ready for hair to be smart?
To go to school
Hmm.
with this.
Yes, your hair should be smart. Your hair should be
Smart.
yes. Today no blow dry. Okay.
There's no blush.
Yes. So let's do this. Say let's do this. No, say let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's.
Do this.
I say let's do this.
Let's do this.
The next day.
Let me see. Turn around. Put your hand up. Turn around. Around slowly. Hi guys, so this is the next day, and guys, so we finished with the hair. I didn't show you yesterday, and as you can see I did finish. It took like 3 hours to finish her hair, and today is being a Monday. We are going for they will be opening school tomorrow.
No, not
and
school. His
yeah.
house.
She doesn't want to hear about the school.
No, not
So yes, tomorrow is school mama. So I'm taking her to the hospital. She's not sick, but she has to take this flu vaccine and some vitamin A. I'm not sure, but the doctor will advise me. So we're taking her to get through the hospital. It's not far from where we are. Yeah, but we'll take a bolt because yeah, it's me and Taraji. So we'll be I want to order a bolt which will take just 4 minutes to come here to get here, and then we shall be leaving. So yeah guys, see you in the hospital. So Taraji, what are you saying? Who is going to the hospital?
It's mommy.
No, it's you.
No.
So I lied to
It's
her like
Linda.
she's taking me to the hospital, but it's her actually. She doesn't get. You say that there's no time for no time for
Dance.
shorts.
Short.
Yeah, she's telling me there's no time for shorts, so she doesn't like those. But anyway, let's get her vaccinated and ready. You know, guys, I'm holding my phone, so it gets a bit tiring when holding the phone. So I see you guys later.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay, let's go. Yes. Airplane. Do you want to sanitize? Guys, we are back from the hospital and someone here was given her shots. Did you get the shots, Mama?
Yeah. No.
Did you cry? Yeah, she was given the flu shot and the polio. Yeah, that's what we were going for, the vaccinations. So she is ready for school. So we are just here eating. We want to take lunch. Aji, what do you say? Did you cry after the shot? Are you ready to eat? So
Yes.
actually we are eating the yesterday's food. This is leftover chicken. Don't mind my soup. I love soup, chicken soup and chapatis. And Taraji here, she's a lover of chicken as well. So yeah, guys, let me go wash my hands, then we dig in. We are so hungry. Cindy, Mom?
No, do not remove your cover.
Okay, I don't. Oh, the phone cover. Okay. Okay, Mom. Are you my mom?
Early the next morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you excited for school?
Yes.
You want to go to school?
Yes.
Good. Good morning, guys, from Africa in Kenya. So guys, we woke up just on time. Actually, we woke up a bit earlier and someone couldn't sleep. I don't know, it's because of school.
Yes.
Yeah, she's here taking breakfast. So she normally takes chocolate and biscuit. Actually, she doesn't, sometimes she doesn't take anything. Yeah, so that we get prepared for school. Are you excited?
Yes.
Good. So guys, see you later. You're full?
Yes.
Okay then. So what next? We'll go change.
Okay.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me this other face.
No. Good girl. That is good girl.
Don't call mommy good girl.
Yes.
Okay. Now what's do you want coffee?
No, we put it back. No coffee. No.
You don't want this one?
No.
No.
What's this coffee?
Let me see how you look cute.
No. Put it here. No.
See?
So bad.
Let's go. Come on.
Wait for Daddy.
Wait for Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, Taraji just left for school and then we are supposed to bring, there was requirements books which we am supposed to mark right now and then we'll be taking them to school. So let me show you guys. I really need to mark these books here to write her name on them. These books we are supposed to buy. Yeah, so let's get to it, then we'll be taking them to school.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the
Many
morning.
hours later.
Hi,
Hi.
how was school? What? Guys, it's back to school and Taraji is here. Actually, it's 3 p.m. I think they were late. I don't know why. Anywho, let's go home. Did you miss mommy?
Yes.
Do you miss me? Do you want to go to school again? Tomorrow is school. Okay. Hi guys, it's been a minute. So yeah guys, so today so first of all, Taraji settled well in school, and now it has been 2 days. Yeah, so and today guys, I decided to go get my hair done. Since we are done with school, opening a doll and buy all things, we thank God. Oh my God, I'm so grateful to God. I know some things we take for granted, but this one I have to say thank you in public, because God has been amazing to us. And yeah, so yeah guys, so today let me go fix my hair as we edit this video. So I'll be showing you the end of this. So this is how my hair looks like. Forget it, I just fix some gel, that's why it looks so good. So I'm going to along Bunyala Road Highway Mall. You know that place? It's along Mombasa Road. So guys, that's where I get my hair done at Joram Locks. I don't know. Let me say him, even though I'm not marketing. This is not an ad, but he does really good. So yeah guys, let's go. Come with me guys as we go. So the weather is not that good. It was raining. And this is my outfit for the day. It was raining, but now it's not. I feel like I should not carry an umbrella, because every time I carry an umbrella, the rain just stops. I don't know. I really hate carrying an umbrella. So yeah guys, but I feel like I need to carry one, just a small umbrella. Look, let me show you how it looks like here. Yeah guys, this is the weather. Alright, I feel like it's raining some parts. Go in Nairobi. I should carry an umbrella, you guys. So I guess see you later.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
Guys, it's a bit late. It's 6:30. It's 6:30 actually, and look at this. This is how it looks like. So I want to edit this video here, and I wanted to show you how I did my hair. So I was rushing because I needed to pick Taraji. Like I had 40 minutes to get from town to home, you guys. I was rushing. I took a motorbike. Thank God the car came just quickly and it's not far. So yeah, that's how it went down, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next video, bye bye. So let me show you the view. Right now it's 6:30. Let me show you guys. Oh, and this is my hair, but I'm not feeling this bun. I don't think it will stay here for long. some cards. So this is the view, guys. There are some people who play over there. This is our view. It looks like the rain is coming. I don't know.
Say what you wanna say to me now.